Okay, I'm kind of going to zoom through these first few examples from 2.4 because they are very similar to everything that we've been doing for the last few days. So remember our steps. Number 1, we check for anything to distribute. Number 2, we combine like terms. Number 3, we move the variables to one side. And then number 4, we isolate x using backwards GEMDAS. Same process that we've been doing for the last few days, right? I haven't changed anything here. So in letter A, I look for if there's anything I can distribute. I look for like terms that I can combine. I can't do either, so I'm going to start by moving my h's to the left side. Doesn't matter which side we pick, I pick the left side. I get 8 plus 1h, or just h, equals 7. Noticing how this is canceling, right? I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides. And then I'm going to be left with h equals negative 1. And that's my answer, right? That's all I'm doing here. Questions? Let's repeat for letter B. We're not going to be scared of these fractions at all. I can't distribute anything. I have no like terms to combine. So I'm going to move all my g's to the left side over here. What is going on? Okay, so moving the g's to the left side, I'm going to subtract 1/2 g. I get 2.5 g when I do 3 minus 1/2. So I'm going to save myself some trouble and just write it as a decimal because I can do that. And again, now I'm isolating g. Subtract 11. 2.5 g equals 20. And divide everything by 2.5. Which is what? I don't have my notes in front of me. Can somebody tell me what 20 divided by 2.5 is? James? Thank you. Perfect. Any questions on that? Jaden? Oh, you're right. Thank you. Did I miss a negative? Oh, yeah, I am missing a negative up there. Thank you. Perfect. Don't be like me. Don't drop your negatives. All right. The last one here on this page, well, letter C. This is where things get a little bit trickier. I'm going to go through my steps. Number 1, distribute. I have to distribute the 8 times 5. I have to distribute 8 times 4n. Drop down the 11. I'm distributing negative 5 times 3. And I'm distributing negative 5 times negative 7n, which is a positive 35n. Step 1 done. Step 2, like terms. 40 and 11 are like terms that are on the same side. So I can combine them to get 51. And then from here, I should be able to just move my variables to one side and solve for n. So subtract 32n. 51 equals negative 15 plus 3n. Add 15 to both sides. I'm running out of room, but this becomes 66 equals 3n. Divide both sides by 3. 22 equals n. Questions on this? I feel like we're getting a really good grip on this, so I'm going to, if I have your permission, skip these next few on this page. We're good with that? Nobody has any problems with that? Wow, what a shocker. All right, turn it over. No. If an equation has no solution, it is true for no possible values of the variable. In this case, my answer will look like a false statement. 0 equals 1. 2 equals -3. 7 equals 5. Right? None of these things are true. In fact, I should really say they are not equal to 1. 0 is not equal to 1. 2 is not equal to -3. These are false. One thing I notice, if it is false, our answer should be this guy right here, no solution. One thing I'm noticing about all of these examples is I have no variables. It doesn't say x equals 0, x equals 3. It says 0 equals 0. No variables to be seen. So what's going to happen is when I'm doing these examples, I'm going to find that my variables cancel each other out on both sides. So that's what I'm going to look for here. So let's look at A. And I'm going to do the same steps that I did before. First off, I'm going to distribute. So I can distribute my 3 to both of those pieces. 12b minus 6. Oops. I have no like terms to combine, so I'm going to move my variables to one side. Let's move this 12b to the left. And look at what's happening here. 12b minus 12b cancels out on both sides. All that I'm left with is -6 equals -6. Is that a true or a false statement? True. So when I get a true statement, like -6 equals -6, my answer is either identity which is perfectly fine on its own. That's what it's telling me to write. Or if you wanted to write infinitely many solutions, I would take that too. Questions on that? Brayden? Sure. Next. Same deal. I start with distributing. -4 times v, -4 times -2. Distribute my 2. Distribute to my 7. Got that? Any like terms to combine? Then I split it, and I'm going to move my v's to one side. Let's move this 4v over. Oh, would you look at that? They cancel out. I'm left with 8 equals 14. True or false? What is my answer? No solution. In fact, we should really cross that out because they're not equal. Okay. Good on that? There's 3 questions here. See what you can do, and then I need some help walking through them. So I'll take some volunteers. Sarah, you want to do one? Any questions on that? We're good?